Students, today we are going to discuss the next topic, that is Pythagoras theorem from SSC board geometry textbook, and in which Pythagoras theorem, all of you familiar with the theorem from 5th standard, which one, that hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus second side square. Okay, that means this theorem is applied for right angled triangle. What is mean by the right angled triangle? Right angle triangle means what? In which one angle is compulsory 90 degree. AC is the hypotenuse, longest side of the triangle. AB and BC, these are the side which make the 90 degree. Okay. So here Pythagoras theorem is totally related with the 90 degree angle triangle. So this is the basic concept. Now here question is that identify the Pythagorean triplet. Now Pythagorean triplet means what? If the three number satisfying this condition, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, then this is known as the Pythagorean triplet. Means what? Largest side square. For example, let's see whether the 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet or not. How to see? Check. Just see here, largest side square, largest side square is equal to 5 square, that is 25. Okay, and here equation number 1. So here one side square plus second side square. Now remaining side which one? That is the biggest side. Compulsory you have to take here biggest side. And now remaining both sides square, that is 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square 9, 4 square 16. That is nothing but 25. Now students, from first and second, look, that first is 25, second one is 25. If the both numbers digits are matching, then this is known as the Pythagorean triplet. Therefore you have to write that lastly, from 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 is Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Why? Because it is satisfying the Pythagoras condition. That means actually it is a converse of Pythagoras theorem. Here you have to write that, you may write that according to the converse of Pythagoras theorem, it is a Pythagorean triplet. Or simply you may write that 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Now in second one, again you have to take a biggest number, that is 12 square, that is 144. Give here 1. Second one is the 9 square plus that remaining one is the 4 square. Okay, so 9 square 81 plus 4 square 16. 81 plus 16, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, and 8 plus 1 9. Now just see that whether the 144 and the 97 is same or not. So definitely not. Here 12 square 144, 4 square 16, 9 square 8, 9 square 81. Okay, after addition we get 97. So just see one number, that is 144. Just see the second number, that is 97. Now are they same? Yes, exactly, they are not same. So they are not satisfying the Pythagoras triplet condition. So you have to write that from 1 and 2, that 4, 9, 12 is not Pythagorean ट्रिपलेट और पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट. ओके, यहाँ नॉट को आपको अंडरलाइन करना है एग्जाम में. नाउ हियर 5, 12 एंड 13. सो अगेन 13 स्क्वायर, लार्जेस्ट साइड स्क्वायर, दैट इज 169. क्वेश्चन हियर 1. देन टेक द 12 स्क्वायर प्लस 5 स्क्वायर. 12 स्क्वायर इज द 144 plus 5 square is the 25. So here again addition is 169. 5 plus 4 9, 4 plus 2 6, 1 as it is 1. So just see that 169 is equal to 169. Yes, definitely the both digits are same. So you have to write that from 1 and 2, that numbers 5, 12, 13, okay, are what? Pythagorean triplet. Okay, these are three numbers are Pythagorean triplet. So I hope you like that one examples and you understood these examples. Students, we are discussing the exercise number 2.1, from which First question, identify it is a Pythagorean triplet or not. Okay. So one by one, we already see that first 3 example, now 4th example. Here, largest side which one? 70. So largest side square 7, which one? Sorry, 74. 74 का square, यहाँ क्या आप देख सकते हैं 74 square, 74 into 74, that is 5476. So you have to take that 5476. Now addition of remaining two sides, that is the 24 plus 70, इसका square आपको करना है 24 square 576. ओके आप यहाँ देख सकते हो. और 70 का square, that will be the 4900. Okay, just do addition. So here that will be the 6, then second one 7. Okay, you just see that addition 6 plus 0 6, 7 plus 0 7, 9 plus 5 14, carry 1, 4 plus 1 5. So just see that first and second, are they same? Yes, that both digits are same, 5476, and here also 5476. So from 1 and 2 they are matching, so that's why you have to take that word. Yes, very good. From 1 and 2, that 24, 70, 74 is Pythagorean, triplet, is a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so this one is the 4th example. Now 5th, you just see that what is the square of 27. Again here you just see that what is the square of 27, 729. Okay, so here biggest side square, 27 square is equal to 729. Then take a square of small sides, 10 square plus 24 square, so 100 plus 576. Okay, addition, that is 7 6, and here 5 plus 1 6. Now it's a 729, it's a 676. So are they matching? Not. Just see that both digits are different. So it is a Pythagorean triplet or not? Yes, very good. It is not a Pythagorean triplet because numbers are not matching. So you have to write that from 1 and 2, that 10, 24, 27 is not Pythagorean or Pythagoras triplet. Okay, and last example is 11, 60 and 61. Again you have to do the square of largest side. You may see that here largest side means what? 61. Here 61 square, यहाँ क्या है मैंने, that is 3721. Then take a square of 11 and 60. So 11 121 plus 60, that is the 3600. So 111 2, then 3 and 7. So are they matching? Yes, definitely they are matching. So here from first and second you have to write first and second. You have to write that 11, 60, 61 is what? Is Pythagorean triplet. Okay, I hope you understood this example. You have to just do that first. What is the simple trick? What is the method for such examples from 1st to 6th? You have to take firstly the largest side square. Okay, and then take the sum of square of remaining both sides. So that time if the addition is matching, okay, that when both numbers are matching, that time it is a Pythagorean triplet. When it is not matching, so you have to write that it is not a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so I hope you understood these 3 examples. Students, we are going to discuss the exercise number 2.1 from the geometry, and the topic is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, our topic name is Pythagoras theorem from the SSC board. Okay, exercise number 2.1, in which first question already we discussed. Now the question number 2, 3 and 4. Before it, firstly, what is the theory beyond it? Theory of the geometric mean. The question number 2 and question number 3 is totally related with the geometric mean. What is mean by the geometric mean? Geometric mean says that that NQ, okay, that is perpendicular drawn from the vertex where the 90-degree angle is there, okay, that perpendicular square is equal to NQ into QP. That is the simple geometric mean. I will write here, look that NQ, that is the perpendicular, in middle जो line दिख रही है आपको NQ. So A, NQ square is equal to MQ into QP, okay. So that is the Pythagorean triplet. Here, same way, that is PM square, a middle line का square is equal to a QM into MR, okay. ये आपका geometric mean है. QM into MR. That means these are the formulas. So this is the theory beyond it. So just see that here what they give. They give the MQ, they give the QP, and they are asking NQ. Simply just put into the formula. That is NQ square is equal to, what is the MQ? 9 into 6. That is 36. So here 6. NQ is equal to 6. Okay. If they give centimeter, write down centimeter. If they give unit, so write down unit. Okay. In this way. If here not mentioned, so write down unit. Okay. Same way here they are asking QR. But QR is total addition of QM plus MR. Okay. Firstly you have to find the MR by geometric mean. So just put the value. After taking MR, you have to add QM plus MR. Then you will get the QR. How? Look that. PM square means what? 10 square is equal to 8 into MR. So 100 is equal to 8 into MR. So MR is equal to 100 upon 8. ये जो 8 यहाँ multiply है यहाँ गया क्या हो गया? Divide हो गया. So here M is equal to which one M? That is MR is equal to this one MR. MR is equal to 100 upon 8 means what? 8 ones are 8. Okay. 2 रह गया. 8 to the 16. 4 रह गया. 8 5s are 40. So what is the answer? 12.5. So MR becomes 12.5. But they are asking that QR. QR is nothing but QM plus MR. So just take the addition. Okay. MR, that is sorry, QR is equal to QM plus MR. QM is 8. MR is 12.5. So that is the 20.5 unit. That is your answer. Okay. What we did? We firstly find MR and then add QM plus MR. That is nothing but your QR. So I hope you understood these two examples. Now students, in 30, 60 and 90 degree theorem, okay, that means if a triangle is of the 30, 90, so remaining obviously becomes 60 degree angle, because we know that addition of the three angles, that means 30, 60 and 90 is 180. So this example is totally related with the 30, 60, 90 degree theorem, in which you have to just remember the two formulas. Okay, I will repeat. You have to just remember the two formula. Which one? Just see. The side in front of 30 degree angle. What I am saying? 30 के opposite की जो side है means what? Yes sir. ये हमेशा हाइपोटेनियस की हाफ होती है. अगर आपका हाइपोटेनियस 10 है तो 5 हो जाएगी. So here 1 upon 2. What is the hypotenuse? Largest side of the triangle. So here PR. Okay. So SR is equal to half of the PR. That is the first formula for the 30 degree angle. And for 61, the side opposite to 60, that means PS or SP. SP is equal to root 3 upon 2 into PR. Okay. जो 60 डिग्री के सामने साइड होती है वो हाइपोटेनियस के √3/2 होती है. Okay. So here SR 1/2 into PR is what? We don't know. Write down the PR because they are asking first PR. Here we know the SR, that is 6. 8 2 यहाँ गया कितना हो गया? 6 2s are 12 is equal to PR. Means our side PR is equal to 12 unit. Okay. Now 60 के सामने की जो साइड दी है SP उन्होंने आप हमें पूछी है how to find? SP is equal to √3/2 into PR is what? PR is, we find that PR 12. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So 6 √3 unit. If they don't mention centimeter meter, write down the unit. If they mention the centimeter, you have to write the centimeter. So I hope you understood this geometric mean and the 30, 60, 90 degree theorem. In this example, you have to just write the formula firstly and then just put the value, get the answer. It's very easy. Okay. Thank you. Students, we are discussing the Pythagoras theorem, that second topic from the SSC board geometry book, and exercise number 2.1 is going on. Further question number 5 and question number 6 from exercise 2.1 today we will discuss. Here question number 5 is the activity. They give the boxes. Okay, here are all the boxes. If you know the table, that the theorem 45-45-90 degree theorem, okay, this one is very example. Means what? It's an isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles means two sides are same. Here 90 degree and AB is equal to BC. So obviously these two angles become 45-45, and we know that the side in front of 45 degree angle, that means AB is equal to BC, is always 1 upon root 2 into AC. That means hypotenuse के 1 upon root 2 होती है, वो theorem यहाँ हमने use किया. Listen. So let's see, AB is equal to BC, that is the box. Actually AB and BC give the same, that means it's a given. Okay. Now furtherly I wrote this formula, AB is equal to BC is equal to 1 upon root 2 into AC. उस box में क्या आएगा? 1 upon root 2. So 1 upon root 2 into AC क्या है आपका? root 8 है. Okay. 1 upon root 2 into root 8. Now 1 upon root 2 into 2 root 2. So that root 2 cancel. 2 into 1, so your answer will be 2. So this activity will be asked for the 2 mark or 4 marks into the exam. So you have to just fill the box. There is not necessity to solve because marks are reserved for these empty boxes. Okay, so don't solve that one, and if you solve, then just put a boxes to the given required position. Okay, and make that box with the what? Pencil. Don't use the pen. That will be the very good representation. Okay. So I hope you understood this example. Comment में आप जरूर लिखिए. Now here, side and perimeter. They give the square, and diagonal of that square is a 10. They are asking you side of that square and the perimeter. Okay. Side भी पूछिए, perimeter भी पूछिए. अब देखो square की all sides क्या होते हैं? Exactly same होती है, और perimeter means what? Addition of all side or 4 into side. That is the another formula. Here they give x and that AC is 10. It's a right angle triangle. First you have to find side with the help of the Pythagoras theorem. How? Pythagoras theorem says that x square plus x square is equal to that AC square, that means 10 square. Okay. So 2x square is equal to 10 square कितना होता है? 100. What I did? Use the Pythagoras theorem only. So here x square is equal to 100 upon 2. So your x square is equal to 50. Take a square root, 25 into 2. So 25 का square root 5. यहाँ root 2 आ जाएगा. X is equal to 5 into root 2. So here x is 5 root 2. This side is the 5 root 2. Now when you got this side, this all side automatically become the 5 root 2. Okay, 5 root 2. Okay, now you have to find. So here write down side is equal to 5 root 2. हमें तो पहला क्वेश्चन मिल गया उसका आंसर. अब पेरीमीटर निकालनी है. Perimeter of the square is nothing but 4 into side or addition of all side. 4 into what is the side? That is the 5 root 2. 5 4s are 20 into root 2. So this one is the answer for the example number 6. I hope you understood this one. So just like that child. Students, we are discussing the exercise number 2.1 from the geometry SSC board. Topic name is the Pythagoras theorem. Now further examples 7 and 8 from the exercise number 2.1. So just let's see that here they are saying find EZ, FD and EF. आपको उन्होंने A पूछी और A side पूछी और what is the raw material? What they give? That GD and the GF. So how to find? Look that. For finding the GE, use the geometric mean. So you have to write that by geometric mean. By geometric mean that FZ square is equal to ZD into GE. So FG is 12. 12 square is equal to what is the GD? 8. What is the GE? We don't know. So 12 square 144 is equal to 8 into GE. So GE is equal to, you have to divide 144 divided by 8. What is the answer? 8 ones are 8. Okay, 6 रह गया 64. Then 8 5 are 48, 6 are 48, 8 7 are 56, 8 8 are. Okay. So 18 is the answer for GE. आपको अब GE मिली कितनी है? 18. So GE is equal to 18 unit or centimeter watt per cube. Now next one, you have to find FD. How to find FD? That FD is the hypotenuse of the smallest triangle. So FD square is equal to GD, okay, square plus GF square. So GD means what? GD means what? 8 ka square plus what is the GF? 12 square, okay. 8 square 64 and here is the 144. Addition 4 plus 4 8, 6 plus 4 10, carry 1 plus 1 2, 208. So you may write that here 4 into 5 and 2. Then again it will be the factorize that 4 into 13. 13 4s are 52. So that's why for that 2 4 take 1 and here 13. So what is the answer? 13 root 4. So you got this one 13 root 4. What I did? I just used the Pythagoras theorem. Now here in this triangle, use again Pythagoras theorem. That is EF square. That is the answer of FD. That is the answer of GE. हमें GE मिली, FD मिली. अब आपको EF निकालनी है. EF square is equal to this one and this one. That is the 12 and that is the 18. So 12 square plus 18 square. So 12 square 144 होता है. 18 square कितना होता है? 324. Addition is what? 4 plus 4 8. 2 plus 4 8. 3 plus 1 4. Okay. Then just factorize this one. That is 4 into 4 1 are 4. 4 to that 4 to that. Then again 122 आप factorize करना है आपको. That 2 से होगा. 2 into 6 and here 2 1 are 2 61. So 4 2s are 8. Okay, or you may just take the square root outside, or here 8 into 6. Okay, 8 6 are 48 and 8 1s are 8 61. 8 के split up करो 4 into 2 into 61. So it will be 4 outside आ गया. 61 2s are कितना होता है? 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So 2 root 120. That will be the answer for the EF square. By further division, or we can say that the by further factorization, you will get here 11 ones are 11, 1 रहेगा 12. उससे तो नहीं जाता. 11 के 12 satisfy नहीं होती. So these are the answers, okay, for that 3 one. Now here AC square, they are asking diagonal. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB कितना है आपका? 35 है. 35 square. BC कितना है? 12 है. 12 square. So 35 square what? 35 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 5 square 25, 3 4s are 12. Okay, and 12 का स्क्वायर 144. So 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 4 6, 1 plus 2 3, and here 1 3 6 9. So इसका स्क्वायर रूट है देखो. I think 39, 33 का देखो. 33 into 33, 3 3 9, 3 3 9 0, 3 6 18. No, इसका नहीं आएगा. I think 33 का क्या होगा? Students, here they give the diagram from 2.1 question number 9. We are discussing SSC board geometry topic number, that is second, Pythagoras theorem, in which exercise number 2.1 question number 9. Here they are saying that prove that PQ square is equal to 4PM square minus 3PR square. In this one, you just see that one small right angle triangle and one big right angle triangle is there. So use that. PM square is equal to PR square plus RM square. That is the first one. Okay. छोटे वाले में आपको Pythagoras apply करना है. Student, M is a midpoint. So RM and MQ are the equal. Okay. RM and MQ are the equal. हमें यह चाहिए बाद में. Okay. MQ के यहाँ हम RM plus RM भी लिख सकते हैं. Because M is the midpoint of the RQ. Now use the biggest triangle, that is the PRQ में PQ square is equal to PR square plus RQ square. Now RQ क्या है हमारा? RQ है RM plus MQ. Okay. RM plus MQ. Okay, उसका स्क्वायर बट हम एम क्यू को आर एम भी लिख सकते हैं, आर एम, वाई बिकॉज इट्स अ मिड पॉइंट, आर एम प्लस आर एम स्क्वेयर. सो पी आर स्क्वेयर प्लस आर एम कितने आर एम हो गए, 2 आर एम स्क्वेयर. ओके, सो पी आर स्क्वेयर प्लस 2 का स्क्वेयर 4 एंड हियर आर एम स्क्वेयर. पी आर स्क्वेयर twice r m square, so 4 r m square, 2 का स्क्वेयर 4 r m square, that is r m 4 r m square. Now it's a r m square is nothing but what, that p r goes here, p m square minus p r square. So आपको यहाँ वो वैल्यू लिखनी है, p r square प्लस 4 इंटू r m की वैल्यू क्या लिखनी है आपको, p m square, that is p m square माइनस हियर क्या होगा, p m square माइनस, अभी आर एम की वैल्यू हम लिख रहे हैं, पी एम स्क्वेयर माइनस पी आर स्क्वेयर. सो जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई इन साइड 4 पी एम स्क्वेयर माइनस 4 पी आर स्क्वेयर. ओके, सो नाउ हियर जस्ट सी दैट पी आर स्क्वेयर एंड माइनस 4 पी आर स्क्वेयर, इट विल बी द हियर 4 पी एम स्क्वेयर एज इट इज दिस वन, एंड देन 4 में से 1 गया, that is minus 3pr square, and here क्या है, pq square. Okay, so this one is the r proof. Okay, what we did, we just choose that two triangles, apply the Pythagoras, put the value and get the answer. So I hope you understood this example. Students, we are discussing the exercise number 2.1 from geometry 10th standard, Pythagoras theorem. From 2.1 exercise, the last example, that is the 10th one. Here, that is the wording example. They give that one ladder है, okay? उसकी लेंथ कितनी है, 5.8 मीटर दी है उन्होंने. लैडर की लेंथ 5.8 मीटर दी है. ये लैडर दो पैरेलल बिल्डिंग है, एक की हाइट 4 मीटर है, दूसरी की हाइट 4.2 मीटर है. ओके, ये यहाँ रखी तो 4.2 में जाती है, यहाँ रखी तो 4 पे जाती है. ओके, नाउ दे आर आस्किंग व्हाट इज द विड्थ of that road which is present in the two buildings. For example, AC is a building and BD is a building, so they are asking the distance between that two buildings. Okay, how to find that distance? Firstly, use the Pythagoras theorem here. In this triangle, that is in triangle, you have to write that in triangle MC or CM square, in triangle CAM, okay, CM or MC is a hypotenuse, so you have to write that CM square is equal to, or directly write that AM square is equal to CM square minus AC square. So 5.8 का स्क्वायर, उसमें से 4.2 का स्क्वायर माइनस करो. ओके, नाउ 5.8 क्या है, 33.64, यहाँ मैंने ऑलरेडी स्क्वायर किया है, और यहाँ 4.2 का कितना आता है, 17.64. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर हियर, 0 0. 13 में से 6 गया, कितना रह गया, दैट इज 33.64. ओके, एंड यहां से आपको 17.64 माइनस करना है, यहां तो 0 आ गया, 13 में से 7 गया, 6 रह गया. ओके, और यहाँ कितना रह गया, 1 रह गया. सो 16 आ गया आंसर, 16.00 मीन 16. सो इसका स्क्वायर रूट क्या आ गया, AM इज इक्वल टू 4 आ गया. ओके, 4 मीटर आ गया. सेम वे आपको AM भी निकालना है, MB स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू which one, that is DM square minus MB square, and not DM square, here is the DM square minus DB square. okay, हाइपोटेनियस में से आपको ये माइनस करना है, सो आपको ये MB निकलेगा. कितना है, 5.8 स्क्वायर में से आपको 4 का स्क्वायर माइनस करना है. 5.8 का स्क्वायर यहाँ ऑलरेडी है, 33.64 माइनस 16, सो यहाँ तो 0.64 एज इट रह जाएगा. 13, सो इसका आंसर कितना आ जाएगा आपका, 17 आएगा. 13 में से 6 गया, सो ये 17 आता है. ओके, 17.64 किसका स्क्वायर रूट है, दैट इज 4.2 का. ओके, सो MB इज इक्वल टू दिस, MB इज इक्वल टू 4.2 मीटर. सो आपने पहले क्या निकाला, AM, बाद में क्या निकाला, MB. नाउ दे आर आस्किंग व्हाट इज द विड्थ ऑफ दैट रोड. सो AB is equal to AM plus MB, that is AM is what, 4 plus 4.2, so your answer will be 8.2 meter. That means the distance between the two buildings is what, 8.2 meter. Okay, simply it's application of the Pythagoras theorem. You have to apply the theorem in both triangles, and then just by taking square root add 1. It's very interesting student. Listen, यहाँ जो आता है सो a स्क्वायर रूट इसका होता है 4 का, और m भी जो आता है सो इसका a आता है. ओके, so 4.2 and 4 that will be the 8.2. how to just remember this one? इसका जो स्क्वायर रूट आता है वो 4 आता है यहाँ का, और इसका जो स्क्वायर रूट आता है तो यहाँ का 4.2 आता है. ये इसकी हिंट है. So today we discussed the 2.1 briefly. I hope you understood this exercise. It's very IMP exercise regarding exam, that may be the final, that may be the semester, whatever from your academic year. Okay, so I hope you understood this one. So just subscribe my channel, okay, and share it and like it. Thank you.